A very good morning to all students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. So today we are here to study English and we are here with our new chapter. Name of our chapter is The Monkeys Go on a Fast. The Monkeys Go on a Fast. Monkeys love bananas. It is very difficult for them to resist eating it. Monkeys love banana. What is their favorite food? Banana, and you know very well. So now let's read. Once upon a time, a group of monkeys decided to go on a fast. Once upon a time, a group of monkeys decided to go on a fast. Meaning of fast is to stop eating for some time. They said that they had eaten too much. They had been to a garden close by and eaten many guavas. Means they have already eaten a lot and now they want to go on a fast. They want to stop eating for some time. Okay, so they were full, means there were no space in their tummy. When they were about to begin their fast, the head monkey said, now in these monkey there is one head monkey. Let us first collect some bananas to eat when we break the fast. Now what he said, कि when we break the fast, we should have some bananas to eat. Oh yes, said the other monkeys. बाकी monkeys क्या कहते हैं? Oh yes. They sent a big and strong monkey to collect many hands of bananas. Now what they have done, they sent a big and strong monkey to collect a lot of bananas so that they can eat when they break their fast. He went to a fruit seller and carried away all the bananas from his shop. He went to a fruit seller. Fruit seller कौन होते हैं? Fruit seller are those who sells fruits. And carried away all the bananas from his shop. उसकी शॉप से वो सारे bananas लेकर आ गया. After a while, the big monkey said, let us give everyone a banana so that when the fast ends, we waste no time in giving out bananas. The other monkeys agreed and the big monkey gave each one of them a banana. Now after some time what happened, the big monkey said, let us give everyone a banana. सबको एक एक banana दे देते हैं so that when the fast ends, we will not waste our time to distribute bananas. Bananas को distribute करने में अपना time waste नहीं करेंगे. What we will do, हम direct banana अपने hand से लेके खा लेंगे. और बाकी other monkeys agreed and the big monkey gave each one of them a banana. Big monkey ने क्या किया? सबको एक एक banana दे दिया. The monkeys kept their bananas carefully beside them. Now monkeys ने क्या किया? Monkeys kept their bananas carefully beside them. Then a tiny monkey said, tiny means very small. Then tiny monkey said, why don't we peel our banana and keep it ready for eating when the fast ends? Now what the tiny monkey said, that why don't we peel? Peel means banana को peel करते हैं ना, banana को peel कर लेते हैं and keep it ready for food eating. उसको खाने के लिए हम ready रखते हैं when the fast ends. The other monkeys agreed, so the monkeys began to peel their bananas. Now all the monkeys agreed with the statement कि yes, we should peel our banana and we should keep it ready for eating when the fast ends. So the monkeys began to peel their banana. They threw the skin on the road as the monkey do. They threw the skin. Here skin doesn't mean the skin of banana on the road as monkeys do. Then another monkey said, let us put one bite in our mouths, but we will not gulp it down. Means another monkey ने क्या कहा कि let us put one bite. We will not eat it. We will just take the bite in our mouth. Second monkey agreed with him and added, that will save time. That will save time. Now what happened? They have put one bite in their mouth and they will not eat it. They will just keep that bite in their mouth. And second monkey agreed, yes, it will save our time. Then all the monkeys said, yes, let's do that. So the monkeys took one bite of their banana and kept it in their mouths. Now what they have done, they have took one bite of their banana and they have kept it in their mouth. After a while, the head monkey wanted to eat the bite. Now remember, head monkey, now what he wanted to do, he wanted to eat the bite of his banana. He looked at the other monkeys. Now he looked at the other monkeys, and when no one was looking, he ate it. उसने उसको खा लिया. When no one was looking, he ate it. The other monkeys saw him eat the bite in his mouth, and they too began to eat the banana that was in their mouth. Now other monkeys saw him while he was eating that bite in his mouth. Now what other monkeys want, they also want to eat the banana that is already there in their mouth. Before long, the whole banana was eaten. No one remembered that they were going on a fast. Everyone had forgotten about keeping a fast. Now what happened? They all have eaten the bananas and they forget that they were on the fast, and they ate all the bananas. So what we have learned from this chapter, we have learned that we should have the willpower. You know what is the meaning of willpower? Meaning of willpower means strong determination, that I have decided this, that I don't want to eat this and I will not eat it. That is my willpower. For example, if someone has kept my favorite food in front of me and I will not eat it, I have decided that I will not eat it. Now this is my willpower, that I will not eat that food. Okay, so the willpower means strong determination. Now we have learned from this chapter that we should have a strong determination, and which means we should have willpower, so that we will not break our resolution, we will not break our determination. Okay, so that's it for the day. I hope that you have enjoyed this story and you have learned something from the story. Thank you and have a nice day.